Do you have ELL students in your class, and do you want them to give a speech online, seeing as we are distance learning? Well, one great modification or accommodation is to allow them to read through their speech. Yes, it's not quite a speech then, it's more of a reading, but at least they're practicing and hopefully continuing to use eye contact with the webcam, which you can, also explain while you're teaching, as well as having a clear voice, as well as having a good speed. So one great tool is a tool called Teleprompt.me. And basically, I just took something from Newsela, and when I start reading it, it will actually follow along and pause when I pause. So it's based on what I say. And if I say words incorrectly, which you'll see in a second, it will still move forward as long as the word is pronounced close to what it is. So here we go. In nature, diamonds form deep in the earth. And I've paused, and so it's not doing anything right now. The process took billions of years, extremely hot temperatures, and a lot of pressure, which is a force over a given area. And now if I skip by accident, it does skip with me, so I'm going to skip down to defying nature by international scientists successfully producing the beautiful mineral in a laboratory at room temperature. So as you can see, it kind of follows my voice, and obviously as an EL student, it might be a little bit more difficult. However, this is also good practice for them because it teaches them pronunciation. So they're using their words that they have written, but they would be able to use this so that they don't get lost, as well as work on their pronunciation of different words. Anyway, thought I'd share this with you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at mkarsak@sawashko.org.